Today we are going to make a super simple, delicious recipe. For this simple recipe, we need these ingredients. First, what we need to do is heat oil and deep fry cashew in it until golden brown. Then we need to fry curry leaves, garlic and sliced onions. When it comes to curry leaves, frying them around 5 seconds is more than enough. If you fry curry leaves too much, you'll lose the nice green color. Make sure onions are not over fried too. If so, they will give it a bitter taste. After that, we need to fry dried Sprats until golden brown and crispy. Now heat around 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan and add chili pieces, sugar and salt as per your taste. When chili pieces are slightly fried, add vinegar. Finally, you can add all fried ingredients into this and mix it around 2 to 3 minutes under low heat. This recipe is super delicious and you can use it as a bite mixture. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon with another delicious recipe.